In this video, we'll speak about how to add opening in your drawing. We speak before, if you have floor like this level 1 and this in level 0. If I go to level 0, this one, and I make edit here and make inside closed shape, inside the closed shape, he will make opening for it. But take care, when you go here, you must go in the other one and make it, because if this elevator you can't make like this, because if you make change here, it not will be in the same and you can make error if you make like this. I will make cancel from here, and there is another shape. If you have shaft and make opening in the slab, you will go to 0, and from here you will go to from architecture opening shaft. From here you can make the dimension what you need as example, and from here take care, he told you the base constraint for the shaft I will make 0. From here I will make 1. Take care, I open now in the 0, but level 2 will have also shaft. Say this the best solution if you have opening in a slab. But take care, sometimes you have many floor 10 and as example 10 floor, and you have only in the first 4 floor open, and in another floor have another open. So take care, you can from here make what you need according to the level. Okay. The other thing here, there is by face and by wall. This wall, he told you select wall if you need make opening in wall. Take care. After this, he told you say here draw rectangle. If you make this, he will make it this open in the wall as example. And also there is vertical, we speak about it before. Here as this, we speak about it. If I go to architecture, the other thing is by face. This by face, if you click in any shape like this one, after this you can make draw here. I'm sorry, you must draw inside the plan and join. Take care, they make open for you. Thank you. This is everything we need to speak about cutting or opening in the roof. See you in another video.